Good morning. Perfect. So, just let me close this. Marvelous. Alright. So. Yesterday I worked on the bubble shield perk. Sorry, I'm kind of tired today. I didn't sleep that much. So, yeah. Yesterday I worked on the bubble shield perk. I actually finished it off stream. Yep. I changed I changed something. Now we cannot activate perk anywhere, everywhere. Sorry. I need to do some UI element to indicate that when you click, like an error message something. To activate perk, you need to be on the checkpoint plate. So when you're on the checkpoint plate, now everything works. So yeah, yesterday after afternoon I finished the bubble shield perk. And today I will add a small UI element. You see this icon? Now it's not coded or anything. That's what we're gonna do today. It will only appear when the shield is active, and I have a few tweak here and there I want to do. So now I don't remember what I did exactly, but now the shield is active, but will only appear when close to enemy. When you get away from enemy, it will disappear after 10 seconds. I don't remember if I did this on stream or after. I cleaned up the visual and everything off stream. That's I remember. So now you have the shield, you get it, boop, the shield explode, and yeah, it block the first attack. So yeah, that's this perk. It get back after 20 seconds. My tea is cold. And you see, I have a shield, boop, explode, block it, yada yada. Now, let's code the UI. Shall we? Okay. So I did try at first adding it directly. Sorry. I really should put my camera at the side because I always move my hand from the side and I'll put it in front of the camera. Which is really not a good idea, obviously. I should look more at you. You're beautiful web people. So yeah. At first I tried adding a sprite directly here under the perk node and changing the color from here. I'll keep the value of the color. I'll probably just erase, make this. I don't need to access the alpha. The default value in color is the alpha. First is RGB, red, blue, green. Yes, red, blue, green. So yeah, but I'll trigger it from the UI instead here. Use your mouse to point at the screen. Yes, I shall. So yeah, I added this. It's only a sprite with a small PNG, nothing fancy, you didn't miss nothing. I'll need to access my avatar. Avatar. Avatar, perk, UI. Okay, UI will be at the end because it is what it is. Okay. So let's. How shall we do this? We'll add a section for perk. Just over here. Shall I do... How shall I do that? Do I get the UI from him? UI avatar shadow. How do I... Okay. Because I already accessed the UI and I get the UI. Maybe it's a bad idea. I probably should have made a signal. My avatar doesn't emit any signal nowhere, so that's that. It does connect to. It connects to the UI, so I don't think the UI should connect to the avatar. I think the avatar should still get the UI. I think it's a better way to do it. So I'll just take this. Okay. Yeah. Let's just UI here. I'll put the UI stuff below. Just over there. Just so everything is close together. So I'll just make a var UI avatar. You know what? Just Control C. I'll just copy it to be way simpler. U I no. Alright. Now in the ready function, I'll just assign the UI. UI. UI scene transition. Is it a var? I don't think it's a var. If it is, I think UI scene transition. What is UI scene? F UI. Yeah, it doesn't. My UI scene transition is. I remember it's auto load. A singleton. I think it's an auto load and a singleton are the same thing. Well, so get tree. Get current scene. Get reload. I'll just copy that. Yeah. And animation player shadow. Animation player shadow. Okay. I'll copy again the name. Avatar. get rid of this, pass the name. Alright, so I have assigned this. So now when we activate it, set perk, yes. We'll, I guess we'll try this UI. The visible. Yeah, that's true. I'll make the same thing here, but make it false. And now we'll give it a try. It is not false. Okay. Why so? Friend UI. I thought, did I took the right thing for bug fixing? Okay, yes I did. I'll just quickly see the print. It does work, but invisible doesn't work. Huh, interesting. Camera is done, and that is only visibility file. Copy property path. I think it's just a dot visible. Huh, I didn't. My bad. I just put it in the wrong function. I put it with the healer bot. So yeah, it won't work if I put it in the wrong function. So yeah, like I said, it's UI avatar per dot visible equal true. Else UI avatar perk dot visible integral false. I think this is a better. This probably should work better. Just let me. I'll just check to be sure I don't have any mistake. Yeah, watching coding is not the best thing in the world. But, what are you gonna do? Just let me do something here. I just want to be sure that the sound on my stream is not overwhelming noisy. I'm just gonna try. Yep. Okay, mic check. Look perfectly fine. Perfectly. Alright. Let's get back to it. So yeah. This is removed. Ready function. Fix for the death flashing shader bug. Yes. Yes. Let's give it a try. So, it's still visible. Why? It's okay, I can deal with this. Oh, it does work now, but I need to... check something. Set perk. It does run the set perk here, but you know what? I think I just have to do this. Wait a second. I think I just have to add this line here. The value. I think this is just what I need to. So let's test this out. This is what is coding. Oh. Value set index on nil value of type bool. Oh, is it because it... Whoa. Shh. Calm down. I think it's because my... Yes. My UI. I'm gonna set my UI first and foremost before... I think this is gonna be better. I set my UI before everything else. Does this look fine? Alright, I think this is our code. I try something, it doesn't work. I try it again, it does work. So yeah, this is how it goes. And wow, look at this. I don't see any perk. My perk is not activated. If I put on this, my perk is activated. Wow, isn't it wonderful? Now let's change map first, just to see if it's appear when we change map. It does. That's pretty good. Just to be sure, because I want to see my bubble shield activated. Yes, it activated when enemy are near. That's great. That's pretty great. I'm not sure about the look of the icon, to be honest. I'm not sure it communicates well with the bubble, but yeah, it may be changed. As I said, it's work in progress. Everything can be changed. So yeah, I see it. It does work here. Look. It's perfect. It is perfect. Marvelous. So, I'll just deactivate it, change map, see if it's still deactivated. It is. It is. Marvelous. So that works. Alright. Now, all it took was a simple line of code. It started to be a bit spaghetti-ish, but I guess it's fine. Now I want I may in fact do something else. I may in fact do something else. Because I'll I'm not quite sure this is the best way to do it, because I want to make a list of all the perks and move the icon depending on which perk it's activated or not. So I may get the UI instead directly and make a function in the UI that will check the perk controller instead. But not all perk are gonna have a UI element. Is there a function when visibility is changed? Is it? Emit when the visibility is invisible change. Actually, there's a function. So yeah. See that? That's probably yeah, that's my answer. Okay. But then here I could just get it in the perk. Do I do that? Do I get the sprite directly? Do I get the UI from the perk? Or do I signal up to the UI? Is the UI connect to stuff? The UI does connect to a lot of stuff. But it needs to be able to connect to it. The avatar stat is always there. probably be lazy and just get it. What if I just do this? Funk ready. And I just pop this bad boy in my perk. And I just pop this bad boy. Let me check. Are my file clean? I tried to clean them before starting the stream, but I'm so anxious I mess up somewhere. I don't think I did though. I'll trust myself. I'll just trust myself. So yeah, I'll just like that, like that, and it should be fine, I think. Let's test this out. Let's go. Good. It doesn't affect. It doesn't show on the UI. It does show on the UI. Great. So now it should be darker when the perk is deactivated. It does work. And now when the bubble shield reactivate, it should get brighter again. Yes, yes it does work. Now pop it. Just wait it for it to get brighter. I'll just see if there's no visual on the avatar. It's not supposed to have a visual on the avatar. It did light up. It did light up. Now it worked. It does work. It does appear under the pose menu, which is perfect. And how does it look in a cavern? Does it appear over the shadow or no? It does seem to appear over the shadow. So yeah, I think the perk is done. Perfect. Now. So this is great. And this is pretty simple. It's just a tiny line of code. I like this. Cool. Now. Scene. Save scene. Ah, you just saw me save all scene a billion times. Okay, now. I need to create a function that will put I know for now, sorry, I know for now I only have one perk activated. And one perk that have a icon, I mean. I have two perk, but only one of them does have an icon on the UI. But I need to think of a system that will put all the activated icon one under them and condense them. Like I want one here, one over there, one over there, one over there, one over there. Because if I don't want to have like one icon here, nothing, 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 one icon here. Need to put them together. So what I think I could do is make, how can I do this? It's first and foremost connect this, connect visibility change, because I want to do, I want to see something. I'll just pop it here. I'll make hashtag perk 1 2 3, yes. So I'll just, oh yeah, perk is perfect. So 1, okay. Okay. If oh, do I need to get the icon? Yeah, I probably need to. On ready var I'll just whatever this perk. Okay. Why do I have an error? Oh yeah, the kick. It doesn't matter. Alright. If you are at a perk the visible, they gotta get a true print add else print remove. Alright. On the tree. Let's check this out. You won't see the signal because they are shoot over there, but I can see them. So yeah, it did work for the first time. I see it, it does work. Yeah. They do work. Just want to be sure they work when we change scene. I have a view. Oh, hi. Yes. It does work. Okay. Clear. So, I'll add var active perk list. I'll make a var, a list of active perk lists. Active perk list. perk list active. So now I'll make perk list active perk list that an array, yes. That append UI avatar now I'll active perk list that what is the is it erase? I think it's erase. Now print active purpose. I think that's it. They didn't put anything in it. Because there's nothing in it. Okay, it does work. What if I already have something in it, like yo. Open a yo. If I add it, marvelous. Okay. So it does work. Perk. Now I'll have a function. I need to create a function. Func. How do I call it? Let me just ask some useful bot. Do you have an idea for a array name, for a function name that will organize this, the position of element in an array? Certainly, organize positions, align position, align. Oh yes, I love this. Marvelous function. Align position active perk pass position active perk clear. Okay, align ALEGN POSETUN ACTIVEPERK. Okay. Now. No, it's a coding principle, and I'm not quite familiar with. Oh, what do you want? You want me to throw the ball? My kitty wants me to throw his ball. Oh, come on, Kibo. Sometimes I wonder if you're stupid or just really, really cute. Okay. So. Since there's nobody watching, I'll make a couple Google research. To go to change right position depending their place in an array. No, you can't change the experiment anyway. Basic example. For y in range or sprite equal sprite that news. For sprite and sprite function x equal to e for the array and update the sprite position e. Ah, that's actually not a bad idea. Oh. For perk in range active perk list. How is it going? Is it to the array of this sprite for e in the range sprite its size or sprite it together? What? Oh, cool. Yeah, ek. This is perk list. Perk. So you got a perk. I'll just. So I guess it's the. 40. It's 16, so it's gonna be 8 plus 40. 8 plus 40. 8. All that plus 40. And it's the Y position. Does it work? Okay, for the perk in range, you active perk list that size. Var sprite. It got an active perk list perk. Sprite that position that white, you got a perk. That 8. Plus 80. No. Plus 72. I think. Let's test this out. Let's test this out. Let's see. It kinda didn't work. Why? If I go like this, do it work? Will it work? It kinda do work. Okay. What if I just do, just for the sake of testing, sprite, I'll just put it an icon here. I'll make it way smaller, just for the sake of testing it. Eight. Oh, okay, it's really that small. 17. Whatever. What the actual heck? One, two, how about here? Okay. So I just want to test this out. I'll get in there. Do I have a ready function? I don't actually. Yes, I do have a ready function. I remember having one. Oh, I don't like this, just like me. I need to clean up some. It's an old code. I did this back in my tutorial day. Not when I was doing tutorial, but when I was following tutorial. I'm not the one that did this code, so yeah. I'll just get the sprite. Already for sprite. There we go. Get sprite. I'll add the sprite, so active perk list the append sprite. So it should be on the top position. It may be a bit wonky, but I think it should be on the perk position. It is at the perk position. Yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So if I go there now, it should be below. It is below. Great. And now, if instead of adding it here, I add it. Okay, no, it's gonna work. I trust. So like this, 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna make sure my code is clean. 3, 1, 2, 3. There. Align position for plugin range. Align position active for. Marvelous. 2D. Save as scene. Save scene. My perk should always have the same. How can I say? Place. See, I don't know if it's possible or easily possible. Scene, sales scene, sales scene. It will kinda have the same position too, because the way it will happen there. I'll just ask something to my friend over there. Real quick. Show the array are based upon the number. Here, example of I don't know if it's gonna understand on the subject and array based on the number, and then you can use a custom searching function extract the number from the name and convert it. Var no, together and gets comfort around return the result. For choice. Source fried and fried that sort custom. Find Sprite. For per. Oh, I need to have 2 array. Sprite that sort custom. We try to the children and then let's find Sprite. We append the Sprite to the Sprite array. Sprite. We use a sort custom method to sort the sprite based on a custom comparison function. However, from the sprite name, use it getSlide and compare them to determine the sorting order. As need to match the naming convention of your sprite. Okay. I got in that name that getSlice. This could be interesting. Control. I'll try this out. I'll test this out, see if this works. I may have something fancy to do. Wow, this is sheet. Okay. Just making some cleaning stuff. So that's clean. I know Sprite doesn't exist. It's active perkless. Bon. Sort custom. Compare. Perk name AB. Just adjust the naming convention. This should be put before putting the list. for perk and active perk list. For perk. Shortcut. Active perk list. That's self compare name. For perk in range, active perk list. That's size. Var sprite. I don't quite. It's not that bad. What is the AB? Number A. I've got an int A. Does it work? It does work. I'll leave it there for now. Tree. I really need another perk to check this out. Something on dodge will be pretty cool, but I'm not quite sure what to. Because make a bound on dodge, could you use the same bow? Give it a little cooldown or something. But I need to do the UI element and yada yada. I still think I do get what they mean. Confirm first names. Language active vertical. I really love coding. It's so... Sorry, I was silent for a while, but... I really do love coding. I want to see something. It's probably not that bad if it doesn't work. I want to see if... How will it interact? If you break the shield, go into another zone, will the shield reappear? Potentially, yeah. If I pop it, go into another zone, The shield will probably be activate again, yeah. It's not really that bad. You can't really abuse it because the scene will reset when you change scene, so yeah. You cannot really abuse it, I think. And it reactivates as it's supposed to. What happens if you break it? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. And disable it. And then re-enable it. Ah, I've seen a bug. Haha. I'm not crazy. But I have the solution. I already have the solution. It's just a small fix. No. Just need access this. Control C. Because if I'm going to make it invisible, yes. Yep. UI. UI perk. Alright. Let's test this out. I'll activate it. Let's get a bat to break it. Come on, my beautiful. Break it. Die. Disable it. It's not enable. Enable it. And it's fine. You can. Oh, there's a cheese, but I'm not sure I want to show it in stream, but it's probably a super clunky cheese. But it's a cheese. Oh, no, I fucked up. We can kind of do this to reset it. I'm showing it because I'm aware of this cheese. So if I see exploit with this, you know, I know. I'll probably have to fix this. But be aware that I'm aware of that bug. Boo. Alright, that's pretty cool. Now, Since I'm done with the perk, what shall we do next? I'm done with this. Okay, what shall we do next? I'll end the stream now. I'll think of what I want to do next and I'll get back later. Because I'll make backup and clean up stuff. Maybe make a video. Probably not. I don't know what I want to do with video yet. I didn't do any vlog. Should I? I will see. Give me a comment and let me know. But there's nobody watching, so yeah.